The diversity of microwave. The term microwave is a very general. It is used to describe many different types, all types of forms, which which dramatically different size and characteristics. It may belong. It may belongs to. It may belongs to various taxonomy. Such group of viruses, bacteria, viruses, protists, and fungi, and microscopic animals. It may, however, noted at all uh, that are fungi and microscopic, but those only which are not visible to naked eyes are considered microwaves. The cla- the class the classifica- the classifications of each group of microwaves dealt in a later chapter. Here we only discuss the general feature of various group of microwaves. Viruses intergoing entities that the blur the line between living and non-living. They are minute consisting of genetic material wrapped in a protein coat. They lack the machinery self-replicate, railing instant on host cell to produce the core of its virus genetic materials, which either DNA or RNA. The genetic material carries the instructions necessary for the viruses produce new viral particles. Surrounding the genetic materials is the materials protective a protein coat called a capsid. Called a capsid. Protein material is known as capsid. The capsid ensure the capsid ensure the stability. The capsid ensure the stability. The viral genome. The virus attached to host cell. Archaea are tiny single-celled divide nucleus, possess an outer membrane, distinct lipid compositions. At first, archaea may resemble bacteria, simpler shape and size, uh, circular genetic materials, absence of organelles, incomparable in compartment. However, biochemically, viruses is greatly a note of the bacteria formed and of the of viruses of the other forms. Archaea have a unique lipid composition and outer membrane and any other organism. The versatile and the distinct biochemicals make fascinating subject of study of rim and microbiology. Bacteria, tiny single-celled organism, possess a cell wall composed of peptide ogleni. They trace their linkage to life exit on Earth. Evil evidence dating back around 10.5 billion years ago. While they possess viruses and they were the much larger and ounce cell and viruses are smaller than cells. The lack the machinery cells the lack the machinery cells like mitochondria nuclei and outer membrane in lipid composition. Protist either single cell or multicellular or microscopic, possessing a nuclei. Distinct animals and plants. Fungi. Protists exist on colonies and distinct functions. They are diverse group of encompass leftover outliers fit into the established group and established group and stabilize of the taxonomic recognition. The protist the defining characteristics of the protist. More about the more like the the more like the poses, the more like the more about the poses then, and they are more as the then, and the diversity, the range of diversity. Protist chloroplast, their own foods, most do not, and they most variant. The most variants include cilia, flagella, and amboid axons. Fungi, 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 fungi are most eukaryotic. Fungi are a constitute of a diverse group of eukaryotic microorganisms, many of which are in our daily lives, which are encompassed in which are encompassed in which are encompassed in which are encompassed which are encompassed in diverse area of diverse area of ecological imbalance and like functionalities. The fungus constitute of trait like a structure called